Hi, Scarlett Johansson here. And did you know that the very first hotel dedicated to Marvel superheroes and their stories just opened at Disneyland Paris? Make sure you check out the amazing Black Widow artwork throughout the hotel. Have a blast at Disneyland Paris.
Hey, I'm Mark Ruffalo, and welcome to Disney's Hotel in New York, the Art of Marvel.
Paul Bettany here. A big congratulations to Disneyland Paris on the opening of Disney's Hotel New York, the Art of Marvel. I can't wait to get there and check out the 350 pieces of Marvel artwork on display.
Danai, Gurira here. I've heard that our beloved King T'Challa is honored in several pieces of art on display, as well as throughout the design. I cannot wait to see it in person.
I'm Kevin Feige. Welcome to the grand opening of Disney's Hotel New York, the Art of Marvel. This is one of the largest public collections of Marvel artwork in the world. Have a fantastic time here at Disneyland Paris.